A magnetic particle is an indivisible material particle at a pre-atomic level of measurable scale. There is nothing smaller than a magnetic particle. It is a carrier of magnetic energy and possesses a magnetic field with density and mass. It is an elementary particle. There are only three known energy carriers: the magnetic particle, the photon, and the carrier of mind energy. Official science has identified over 300 elementary particles, all of which are variations of the same magnetic particle and photon with different physical parameters and velocities. Official science lacks the instrumental basis for detecting the carrier of mind energy. This carrier has an energy structure in higher frequency ranges than scientists can observe through their instruments. The magnetic particle directly participates in matter formation, starting from the creation of electrons and atomic nuclei. For instance, an atomic nucleus consists solely of magnetic particles, numbering over 5 million. The density of a magnetic particle is 100 million tons per cubic centimeter. Unlike electrons, atomic nuclei are indivisible. The structural form of the energy grids of the magnetic particle in its non-material state is two dodecahedra connected by a tetrahedron. Within each dodecahedron of the magnetic particle, an icosahedron is nested. This nesting can occur multiple times with different physical parameters, akin to the Russian nesting doll technique. The dodecahedra of the magnetic particle serve as the framework for natural programs that deliver the necessary energy information to all of us. Magnetic particles and photons play a direct role in the processes involved in forming any substance. The galactic central generator generates primary magnetic particles for the needs of all stellar systems. Magnetic particles needed for Earth are formed on the Sun. Emerging from solar magnetars, magnetic particles with specific speed parameters traverse through the energetic lattice of space, passing through the intricate lattice structures of a planet's atmosphere, and ultimately reaching the Earth's surface at speeds around 240,000 kilometers per second. If Earth lacks the necessary mass of magnetic energy for energy balance, the Sun ejects a stream of magnetic particles, observed by astronomers as magnetic storms. Without magnetic particles, our cells cannot exist. Water is non-functional, and Earth cannot sustain its movement without their involvement. Any substance cannot form without them at all. There are no black holes in galaxies. What science calls a black hole is the central generating apparatus where a planet that has completed its evolution arrives. It is deconstructed constructively and sequentially to the level of primordial constructive elements, photons, and magnetic particles. Atomic nuclei are extracted from individual planets for further utilization. We will witness this when new optical instruments emerge, enabling us to observe in higher frequency ranges starting from 2 to the power of 64 oscillations per second.